Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo laptop touchpad driver. Okay, so guys, open any browser, type Google search box to Lenovo laptop touchpad driver download. Okay, just this is official link for the Lenovo. You can download driver. Okay, so this is driver and this is support Lenovo B. This is series comfortable driver. Okay, Lenovo this. Okay, this is laptop series. Okay, and this is versions. If you suppose B 475 you install Windows 11, so you can install it. No worry, just capable. Okay, just click to download. Okay, otherwise guys, you have a serial number. If you don't know how to find out, just so click to start. If you find, okay, serial number by command from, okay, so type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Okay, and just simple type wmic bios gate serial number and then hit enter. Okay, it show invalid get. This is virtual machines, that why it's not showing here. Okay, so it will show serial number, so type here. Okay, and then hit enter. It will show full command. Okay, and after that you can download touchpad driver. So you can find after that what you want to do, just click to download. It will, okay, submit times and detect. Okay, so it will, you will now click on the detect and check, so it automatically find. Okay, he hit to enter your serial. This is mandatory. Okay, you can use this command. Okay, I will show in the screen, and okay, and then download and install. This is very simple, just click to download. So now this is start for the downloading. Second time you can click on download, it will start automatically. Open. Double click to and click to start setup, then click to yes. This OS not find, no worry, just double click to find, double click to launch the setup. Okay, then next install. After install you can restart your system. Okay, then check it. Thank you.